Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will see what is a differential equation, and you will see more videos in the link below, solution of the past paper differential equation questions. So first of all, let's see what is a differential equation. We all know what equation is. So in the equation, if there is dy over dx or d square y over dx square, then it is called a differential equation. We know that dy over dx is called first derivative, d square y over dx square is called second derivative. So any equation in which derivative and variable comes together, it is called a differential equation. So in our course in A level, we have differential equation which have first derivative only present. So example I have taken here, this one you can see, dy over dx is equals to 3x square. You can see this is an equation as the symbol is here, and it has dy over dx and it has a variable also. So if any equation which has first derivative and variable, it is called differential equation, right? So it is a mix of variable and derivatives. Now the question is, how do we solve differential equation? I have taken one example here. Now before doing this, you need to understand one thing. When we talk about solving equation, we get answer in terms of number. For example, I take here an equation. This is an equation. When I will solve it, I will get answer of x. But when we say solve differential equation, you do not get answer in number. You get an equation y in terms of, in this case it is x variable, so y in terms of x. So solving differential equation does not mean you get answer in numbers. Rather, you will get an equation y is equals to something, in this case, for example. So let's start solving it. What does it mean to solve? Now you can see there are two variables, y and x, right? So you have to separate the variables, number one thing. There is a method called separating the variables. So in which we separate the variables. So I will cross multiply and it will become 1 over y dy x dx. Number one step, separate the variables. Number two step is integrate both sides, right? You have to integrate both sides. Now 1 over y dy we know is equals to ln y, and integral of x is x square over 2 plus c. Now somebody must be thinking why I'm not writing plus c here also, or any other constant here. Yes, you can, but you know generally what happen, we write constant once in the equation. Have you seen any equation written like this, for example, like this? No, constants are mostly written together, or it will be like this, right? Either you take it here or you take it here. So constant is written on one of the side, which is a general practice, and that is the reason when we integrate indefinite integral, because there is no limit, right? No limit. So I will write constant on one of the side. Your choice which side you want to write. Okay. After that, because I'm solving the differential equation, I have to make y a subject. So what will I do? You remember the log? E is equals to x square over 2 plus c. After that, y is equals to e x square upon 2 times e power c. Because we know law of indices, which means if I have something like this, I can write it separately, right? Now why I'm doing this? E power c is a constant. I'm replacing it by another letter. Now question may come why again. When there is a equation, generally we do not write like this, for example, like this. Yes or no? Generally we do not. We always write a simple form. So that's why instead of e power c, I'm writing another constant a. So this is my general solution of the differential equation. Now a question might be coming in few minds that how come I have separated dy or dx here? How can it cross multiplied? Right, because it is not like separate numbers which I'm cross multiplying. This is a differential operator. So how can I cross multiply dx to that side? So there is a reason. Let's see. Okay, so let me just clean this space so that I can explain to you the reason behind it. Okay, now see here what I had here. Question dy over dx is equals to x times y. It is 1 over y dy over dx is equals to x. Normal. Now you know when you integrate both sides, any term when you integrate on both sides in equation, actually it is a complete operator. This is a complete operator. It means this function you will integrate with respect to this variable. You do not just write like this. So this is a complete notation of integration. So when I will integrate both sides, what it will become, this will be as it is, and of course this dx because of it is equals to this thing, right? So now what will happen, this part left hand side is actually equals to this. Okay, so now if you see from here to here, what does it look like at a glance? It looks like I have done cross multiplication, but actually I have not done cross multiplication. I have applied this logic behind it. Okay, but we do not write this when we are solving the equation or solving solving any question. We straight away after this step we write straight away this step. This is the general practice, and after that I have solved you how to solve the equation. So now I will take another example. The link is given in the video below. This was introduction. So let's take another question now, okay, in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please take care and share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.